In this video, we will discuss about precipitation and its different forms. Precipitation is a natural process involving deposition of atmospheric moisture on the land surface in different forms. Those are rainfall, snowfall, hails, fog, and sleet. Out of these 5 forms, rainfall is the most important form of precipitation. And rainfall, again, it is broadly classified into 3 types. One is convectional type of rainfall, orographic rainfall, cyclonic rainfall. Now we will discuss about separately convectional type of rainfall. Convectional type of rainfall is important characteristic feature of equatorial region. Within the tropical zone, this convection type of rainfall is going to be takes place, and this convection type of rainfall is associated with thunders and lightning. In general, this type of rainfall is going to be takes afternoon and early parts of the night. What happens in the daytime? Because of high insulation, on the land surface, the air is going to be heated, and as the gas molecules, as they heated, as they got energy, so they rise to the higher altitude. Thereby, when these gas molecules or air molecules reach it to the certain height, then where the temperature goes below 0 degrees centigrade, then condensation process takes place. Later, the condensation process, another natural process is going to be takes place, that is precipitation. And this rainfall is associated with thunders and lightning. If you like this video, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.